we don't know.
Okay.
So for this label only, we took this machine from Shirkachi, and we took this over here. And with the same machine, same model, you can see it in Denmark in the entrance of factory, and in US also the same model, same machine. You can see, but the numbers will be slightly different. But for only the label is the valid. Because everything is interconnected. So only this is not interconnected. So you can remove it out and you can do it. But what happens, the speed versus the machine speed, the correction will be faster. If you press more, you overshoot. Manual is done by hand, fine tune it slowly, going slowly. See, over a period it will overshoot. So if it is auto register, there is still that will correct. That's the difference between that area and the adjustments. We will get back to you and show you one more thing. It will look like this is a design, but how the pressure is upgraded. This machine is still capable of printing microtext, security printing. So the pressure quality is very good. If I reduce Amilux further, it will be very much sharper, as like in your currency notes. So it's still possible in this. So there is still correct speed at later will later 0.1. Yeah, 0.1 is there. Yeah. Again, more clear, you have to play with them. Yes. You know, and this will be dry out. So we parallelly we can put two anilocks in this place. And I'm using it for standard classic machine as well as the dual servo machine. So this is from Denmark, and we are using this for past 6 years. Absolutely fine, no problem.
Even somebody told me jet is the best. This is
Standard machine with the online gravure and lamination slitting together. It's a finished product. FB standard machine, not double servo. This is sink sleeve. With reverse printing, here it is white. This is white ink is your registered gravure. Flexo, whole foil, refill. Can you please sample the pattern?
Very nice, huh?
This is with black band hot foil integrated along with FB machine. On the normally works in FP machine. We integrated this in FB machine with oil stamping, with foil saving, embossing, and die cutting with a black gravure, registered black gravure. These videos are available with money. Okay.
Yes.
This is BOPP, 35 micron BOPP, 6 color Flexo, and 1 gravure rings. Wraparound labels like your Cofina, Distillery, Inlay.
Same FV.
Yes, all FB.
That one, first one.
First one, single. Most of them are single servo. This is single.